The fine folks at Heritage Type Company have created a fantastic new app called KITTL. And in this video, I'm going to go over 5 reasons I absolutely love this app. This is a graphic design software solution. You can try it free for 3 months just by clicking in the video description down below. So I'm going to cover 5 reasons I love this. Now, if you're in the mood for something free and fun, then this is the video for you. Let's jump in. Reason number 1 that I love KITTL is just the ease of use. There's a menu here right in the middle, and I'm going to click on, for example, labels. And that's going to filter now to show me different labels that I can use. And if I want to use a certain label, let's say I want to use this Sarasvat Brewery label, I'm going to click on that. It asks me, do you want to use this design? I'll say yes. And then it loads in. There's really nothing else to do here. There's like not a whole lot of menus or anything, but that's okay. Simply clicking on something, you can now just move it around. Clicking Control Z or Control Z just undoes it. So anything you click on, you can move. Don't like the little boat, maybe you want to move him around, just click it, drag it, double click it, and you can now type in to the window. So where it says since 1882, I'm going to just type in something else instead. I'll type in since 1982, for example, and that just updates automatically. Craft Brewery down at the bottom, maybe I want to change the way that looks, and maybe I want to write my name in there. I can do so as well. So you can make these designs, you can modify them however you want, and it's super easy to do. Everything you can click on is changeable simply by clicking and then moving it around. You can delete it, you can change colors on it. You can see over here there's a text color. I'm going to click on that and I'm going to maybe make it red, for example, and see how it changes in real time. I can then move it back down and I can have a fantastic looking logo in easily under 5 minutes. Reason number 2 I love KITTL is just the sheer number of predefined templates that they have. You don't have to use templates, but if you choose to use a template, the world's really your oyster here. There's so many different templates and they're really high quality too. You just click on it, say use this design, it pops open, and now you've got this whole template at your disposal. You can move things around, you can delete, rotate, you can do whatever you like inside of the template. Now there's way more to KITTL than just templates. I'm going to click on the top right, new project. And what I can do now is on the left hand side, there's a little mini menu there and I can click on designs or even elements. And this is the 3rd reason I love KITTL is the elements. There's over 500 elements here that you can take a look at. There's badges, circles, all sorts of stuff. There's ornaments, illustrations. Let's say I wanted to do an illustration. I'm going to click on the bear. He pops up. I can resize him. I could rotate him if I wanted. And then now that's my design is underway. I can also use the text feature as well. So right above it is a text feature. And then I can add a paragraph or a modern. I'm going to click on the modern and I'm going to move this up. And now I could change this to read something else. I'll double click on the word sale and I'll type in the words big bear. I can now move it around. I can change this. Basically, I've got 3 different types of text now. Now I can always change the text as well in here. You can see there's tons of different options. It's so easy and so intuitive to use. Simply by clicking on something, you can then change the text. So just like that, within 1 minute, I've created a completely unique design from scratch, not using a template, but just using the graphic design library that they have built right into KITTL. It's absolutely fantastic. Reason number 4 I love KITTL is the text elements. On the left-hand side, I'm going to click text, and then I can simply add a headline. This now defaults. I can change the text color. So let's say I wanted to just double-click it, and I'll update it with my name here. Easy enough. I can now change the size of it. Super easy. Drag it around, move it around, put it right in the middle. I can change the text color. Super easy. And then there's also different texts that I can use, different fonts. So I could change it very, very quickly. By clicking on it, there's also transformation options. I could actually change the way it looks. There's so many options in this thing. Make it a circle if I wanted. Could rotate it. There's so many different things. The text features inside of KITTL would take hours to use in other options like Photoshop or Affinity Photo. This is such an intuitive, easy to use tool. I absolutely love it. Reason number 5 that I love KITTL is just the sheer variety. There's always new designs coming in. It's constantly growing. So when I click logos, for example, you can see just the sheer number of logos, the differences of them. These are fantastic. I'll scroll up to the top. There's also labels, lots of different labels. These look great on fine art prints, for example. So if this sounds like something that you're interested in, check out the video description below. There's a link there. When you click on the link, you wind up getting 3 free months of premium subscription. They don't ask for a credit card. It's just give it a try for 3 months and see what you think. I think you're going to absolutely love KITTL, and you can just have fun, and I think that's the most important part here with graphic design. I really hope you found this video helpful. As always, do feel free to throw questions down below or comments. Let me know what your favorite part of this is, and I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching.